is Ken with eXp Realty and Ken Krotz and Company. I am so excited to roll out a new program that we have. I get a lot of questions about it. What it is, we have an investor that's looking to buy good properties for retail value. That means that they're making offers and they're buying properties at the value that they would otherwise get if they were listed. And so one of the questions we get so often from people that we're talking to and outreaching to is, it's a cash investor. I'm not going to take a lowball offer. Well, we're not asking anybody to take a lowball offer. Now, usually cash buyers want a cash discount. Well, in this case, what we have found is that properties that we buy at retail are in better condition, better locations, and make better long-term investments. So if you're watching this, we might have already outreached to you because we're reaching out to homeowners that fit within our buy box or the set of criteria for the properties that this investor is looking for. So think about it. If you have a house that is a rental property for you and you want to sell it, but you don't want to kick out the tenants, you don't want to have to make the repairs, get ready for market, lose the income, carry the mortgage on your own for all these months and hopes that a buyer comes through, this is a great option. You can keep the tenant in the property and keep bringing in income right up until the day it closes. You know, if you have a house that you want to sell in order to buy up to a new home, maybe you have an expanding family, or maybe you want to buy a littler house in another area, but you have to sell your house first. Selling homes on a contingency basis is very difficult. It's a complicated transaction, and there's lots of ways it could fall apart. Well, with us, we make a cash offer on your property, and you can now go out and find your new home with the certainty that you have a cash offer and you're not going to have to deal with all the headaches of worrying about your house closing or not. Or if you're just looking to sell your house and don't want to deal with weekly open houses and brokers opens and agents coming through at all times of day or night, people nitpicking your house apart, appraisals coming in low, inspectors coming in with a 50-page list of everything that's wrong with it, buyers falling out of qualification, and all the myriad of ways that a transaction can fall apart. If you want to just get a cash offer on your property, sell it, and be able to move on to the next part of your life, to take that next step into the next chapter of your life, this is a great program for you. So please feel free to reach out to me. I'm easy to find. My name is Ken Krotz. I'm with eXp Realty. My number is 206-999-7998. Please feel free to reach out to me anytime. We would love to talk to you about this. This is a really exciting program, and I think we're going to have great success with it.